SketchList is modeling software, not a drawing program, and that choice really matters to your design success. Instead of pushing lines and boxes around, you build a parametric model, a design driven by your input working with the rules behind the scenes of your computer. Here's how that feels in practice. In SketchList, you work with simple forms and a spreadsheet, not complex CAD commands. You type in the information, part names, sizes, materials, and locations, and the SketchList updates the design and all reports for you. Because it's parametric, the workflow is easy to learn, precise, and fast. To make this concrete, in this series we'll build a simple box from start to finish. You'll see it all, using containers, the 3 steps of insert, size, locate, and how to make quick edits on your design. Ready? Next up, containers.